Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I will be guiding you on how to see use and available storage space on your Mac. So let us get started. First, click on the Apple menu in the top left corner of your screen. Then, select System Settings. In the System Settings window, click on General in the sidebar. Click on the Storage tab on the right side of the window. You will see a visual representation of your storage usage under the Storage tab. This will display all the volumes on your Mac, including your internal drive and any external drives connected. Move your pointer over each colored section to see the amount of space used by each category. The light gray space represents the free storage space available on your Mac. By following these steps, you can easily check the storage usage on your Mac and manage your storage effectively to ensure optimal performance. I think that's it. I hope this video helps you out. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.